Hai teman-teman, apa kabar kalian semuanya? Di cuaca yang indah hari ini, kami akan mengajak kalian untuk pergi ke Leicester. Kami akan mengajak kalian juga untuk melihat National Space Center ya di Leicester.
And we're both looking forward to going in because it holds great memories, particularly for me because I can remember my mum telling me in 1961 that the first man to go into space had happened. It was in the April of 1961. I was about 6 years old, and my mum told me that somebody going to space. I didn't really understand at that time, but it was Yuri Gagarin, the Soviet cosmonaut, the first man to leave the Earth, and then after that, during the 60s, there was an immense amount of progress, because both the Soviet Union and then very shortly afterwards the Americans, there was a space race, and by 1969, not only had they gone into space, but they actually conquered the moon, and so people by 1969 were walking on the moon, and that to me was an incredible amount of progress in a very short time. And nowadays many people, younger people, they can't believe it, and so there has grown up this feeling that it wasn't really true, it didn't really take place, it was filmed on a lot somewhere in California or something, and because it's such an immense achievement in a very short time. And now people don't really believe it happened. Many young people, I wasn't actually there at the time, but I can remember it happening. Yuri Gagarin, the first man in space in 1962, the first American in space. And then there was a space race, as I've said, between the Russians and the Americans. And then in 1969, the first men on the moon. And by there were 12 men in total who reached the moon. And the last people on the moon, I think the last man on the moon was Eugene Cernan in 1972, which is more than 50 years ago. And yet, nobody's been back anywhere near the moon since then. People have gone into space, of course, but they've never been near the moon. And it was an incredible achievement. Now, apparently, they hope, this is NASA, the American Space Agency, hope there will be a flight next year, 2026, around the moon, maybe not landing on the moon, but going around the moon, a manned mission, or mission with people, maybe men and women. And that will hopefully be next year. But of course, there's other people will now be involved. I mean, not only the Russians, but the Chinese and maybe other countries too.
Dan beruntung sekali ya bahwa kami yang di Chesterfield nggak terlalu jauh ke Leicester ini untuk melihat dan bisa membayangkan ketika astronot dari Amerika itu pergi ke bulan ya, dan disinilah tempatnya.
Absolutely amazing, and he mentioned, it says on here that it was very dangerous to go into space is very dangerous, and of course it is, because this one commemorates an astronaut who actually died during the training, and it's in commemoration of him, and therefore even today it's an extremely dangerous thing to do, which is why I suppose nobody's been back there for more than 50 years, I suppose.
Oke, yuk kita jalan, kita lihat ya ke dalam museum ada apa. Dan nanti akan kami sharekan kepada kalian yang setia bersama The Adventure of Vina and Tim.
See you soon.
Ada kerjasama dengan University of Leicester karena mereka mengadakan riset dan menggunakan ini ya. Teman-teman, sangat menarik sekali dan bagus untuk pendidikan anak-anak, bisa dibawa ke sini dan untuk kita juga bisa membayangkan ketika kita berada di bulan sana ya. Dan siapa tahu seperti harapan kita semuanya pada suatu hari orang akan bisa jalan ke Mars. Bakal menarik kan?
Right here where I left it, not taking any chances, coming in hot.
Apollo 11 landed on the moon. There is Apollo 15, Apollo 17.
Houston, F2, 1/160th second for shadow photography on the sequence
He
camera.
sees through all my flames when I'm driving crazy. I haven't played nice, yet he still wants me. I give.
So teman-teman, itu tadi ya, kami baru saja melihat di Space Center ya, dan kami juga melihat satu film ya, dan kita seolah-olah kita berada di dalamnya ketika kita pergi ke moon ya, ke bulan dan ke planet Mars ya.
Very good. It was a planetarium, apparently the largest planetarium in Britain, and so it's a great big dome. So very impressive.
Yes, and you can feel it. You feel like sick, but yeah, I feel a bit sick because you feel it like you around swirl with them, and you feel like you in it. Kamu merasa berada di dalamnya gitu ya teman-teman. Jangan lupa untuk like-nya dan juga komennya.